Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize more security and privacy. And scroll down to localize credential storage. As you can see at the very bottom of this section, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all user certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.